What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can increase sales in your business, make more money, the whole nine yards, by treating your business like a baby. And I'm going to explain the mindset behind it in a second here because, a lot of people, hit me up like all the time, like, how come I'm not making, enough money? How come I'm not doing this? And how come this isn't working? And how can I make this amount of money? And, can you make a video on this? And can you make a video on that? And most of the time, the video they're asking for, I already made a video on. They just simply didn't look for it, But you got to be willing to invest, guys. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I don't have the money to invest and stuff like that, right? You got to be willing to put in time. And again, I know I don't have any time to work for myself. Like, I'm going to explain here, right? So let's say you got a person, whoever, right? Let's call him Johnny Boy, right? We got Johnny Boy over here. Johnny Boy is one of the type of people that don't want to spend any money on his business. He wants to just, magically make money by not putting in any work, not putting in any effort, not doing anything. Just a typical regular 9 to 5, or just a typical regular person that's getting into the whole, online space here, right? So let's say he goes out and he finds out that his course and his mentoring or whatever it is he decided to buy is going to cost $200. Johnny Boy's like, no, fuck that. No, I'm not paying $200 for the software. I'm not paying $200 for a course. I'm not paying $200 for mentoring. Even though this will make him money and this will benefit him, he can't see that because he's focusing on this little bit of money right here, right? But now let's say Johnny Boy has a kid, all right? So same $200. Let's say it costs $200 for diapers, formula, or food, whatever, right? Let's say it costs $200 a month for that kid. Is Johnny Boy not going to feed his kid or change their diaper or whatever solely because it costs $200? No, right? That would be child abuse. Well, when you say no to your business, that's business abuse. You know what I'm saying? So, like, just that alone will show you that if you look at your business like a baby, as something you want to take care of, something you want to nurture, something you want to see grow, you're going to have a completely different mindset going into it versus, how normal people see it right here. Like, $200, I'm not going to spend $200 on mentoring. I'm not going to spend any money to help increase my business. Like, see how stupid that sounds when it just sounds like, just stupid, all right? But let's go to time, right? So you see the money here, right? So when you look at it like it's a baby, you're going to do the right thing, which is invest, in your business so it can grow, right? AKA your baby, all right? So let's say you got 4 hours here, right? Because a lot of people definitely ain't putting no 4 hours in a day. Like, that's definitely not happening. I say the average person probably putting in like 5 minutes to be for real, But let's say 4 hours here, right? Average person, again, Johnny Boy's like, no, I can't put in 4 hours. I got some TV to watch when I get home. And, I've been at work 14 hours today. And, I just can't go home and work for myself. That just doesn't make any sense, right? But now let's say Johnny Boy, again, has a kid. And, that kid wants to spend time with them or whatever. You telling me Johnny Boy isn't going to try to spend at least 4 hours with his kid a day or the maximum amount of time that he possibly can with his kid? There you go, right? You see, now it's like when you treat the business like a baby, you make all the right decisions instead of all these bum ass excuses that you make over here, all right? So let's say, let's say like money, for example, right? Let's say the business, Johnny Boy actually gets off his ass one day, and starts doing a little bit of work, and he starts getting a little bit of results, right? So basically, what he's going to be doing is, taking food out of his business's mouth, right? So let's say the business makes $1,000, for the month, and then he does something like take 950 out, for whatever it is he wants to use it for, right? So he's leaving the business with $50, and then using that to reinvest or whatever, right? Now let's say, for example, you got the baby over here again, and they want to eat the baby. I mean, not eat the baby, damn. But the baby's eating or whatever. We're just gonna just use this as a metaphor, right? Would they take food out of the baby's mouth? Would Johnny Boy take food out of the baby's mouth so that he can eat? If anything, it'd be the reverse, right? So let's just say like 90-50, 950 is what he would give to the baby, and he would take 50, right? Because he wants the baby to grow, he wants the baby to eat, the whole 9 yards, right? So when you're going to make the right decision when you look at the business like a baby, as something you want it to grow, something you want to nurture, something you want to see, basically get big one day or whatever. All right, you're gonna treat it like a baby. You're gonna make all the right decisions when you treat your business like a baby instead of these dumbass reasons over here, like taking $950 out of your business and leaving it with 50. Right? So you take the 50 and you give the business 950. And you're gonna make way more money because your business is going to skyrocket when you're putting in 95, 100%. Every single time versus putting in 5%. Right? Your business is going to grow a lot faster, with these numbers up here versus over here. You know what I'm saying? So treat your business like a baby and it will always grow faster. That simple, right? And then once, you got the whole, you've done all, you put in the time, you put in the money, you put in the effort, all of that stuff, and you didn't take any money out of the business, or you took very little, your business is going to be, a big business, right? So now the business can take care of you. Boom, right? So that's it. That's all you need to do. And it's not like this is going to take years and years and years. This is going to literally take a couple months, right? Some people get this done in a couple of weeks. All you need to do is just treat your business like a baby. And I'm telling you, it's going to grow. That simple. Don't take money out of the business. Stop being afraid to invest in companies, invest in courses, invest in mentors, invest in all of this stuff, because eventually you end up spending more money, trying to be cheap, or, focusing on where the money's going at the time and now, because let's say you got a course that costs $1,000. A lot of people are so broke minded that they're focusing on the person who owns the course. Like, oh, well, this person's going to get $1,000 richer and I'm going to get $1,000 poor, right? That's like a stupid ass mindset to have. Like, I mean, that is so stupid, like you're not focusing on what you're getting. All right, let's say you go and you find a TV, that's $2,500 and it's on sale for $1,000. Are you really going to be focused on Walmart getting that $1,000 from you? No, because Walmart's already making a bunch of money. Like, you only care because it's another person that's basically just like you, getting $1,000 richer, and you see in your mind as you're getting $1,000 poor, which is again a broke ass mindset. You need to get rid of that. Focus on what you are getting. You are getting that person's time. They might have put in 1,000 hours on that course. They might have put in tens of thousands of dollars, for that course, and you're getting it for $200, $300, $1,000. And they put in thousands of hours. They put in thousands of dollars, and you put in 1,000. And you're getting to learn all their mistakes. You're getting to learn, all the right ways to do things. You're getting a fast track GPS map to success, and you're worried about $1,000. You're worried about $200. You're worried about $100. You're worried about $50. You see how fucking stupid that sounds, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Treat your business like a baby. Start treating it like a legit baby, as something you want to see grow. You want to see, it make it, do whatever you got to do for your business, right? When you treat your business like a baby, it's going to be just like you would in real life, right? Let's say you had to choose between, going out and partying, or going and taking care of your business, right? You're going to choose the business, right? So this would be the partying, right? I mean, you're going to choose your kid, right? You would choose your kid versus going out, at least a good parent would anyway, And I'm not saying anyone's bad parents or anything like that if you choose to go out or whatever. But I mean, like, if you got a newborn baby and, you choose to go out and party instead of stand at home and take care of your kid, that's some priority issues right there. But I mean, like, look, when you treat your business like a baby, you're going to make the right decisions every single time. Right? Every single time. You're going to feed your baby instead of feeding yourself. You're going to put in the time that's needed. You're going to put in the budget that's needed. You're going to stop taking food out of the business's mouth, aka the money. Like, you're going to do everything right when you treat your business like a baby versus like some entity that you just gotta you just feel like you're dumping money into, or whatever the case may be. I don't know what people look at their business as, because I look at mine as a baby. We got to take care of it. You know what I'm saying? If it gets hurt, we're gonna pay the developers, fix the websites, or whatever it is we need to do. Right? A lot of people, oh no, I'm just not gonna fix it. I'm just not gonna do anything because it can work the way it is. Oh, I'm just gonna go to Wix and just get a free landing page, or something like. I mean, something as simple as that. Like, it's mind blowing, because you can get a legit whole website made, for like $10. Buy a domain. Stop having these Wix websites. Stop having these Weebly websites. Like, just get you a domain. Like, even if you're gonna build it on Weebly and Wix or whatever, get you a domain. Like, it's just, I don't know. I'm done, But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Sometimes I get on these little rant videos or whatnot, but I mean, it's really just to help people out because I mean, if you aren't doing this, if you aren't treating your business like a baby, it is not going to grow that fast at all. As you guys can see, most people are making these mistakes over here, which are all the wrong mistakes when they should be making all the right choices over here. So wrong choices, right choices. But again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any comments or questions or some commentary, put it down below.